In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade in Roblox and go over all of the basics of trading. If this guide does help, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But let's go ahead and dive straight into this. First things first, obviously make sure that you are logged into Roblox and you open up the navigation menu all the way in the left-hand section, and you should see an option for trade within it. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to bring you to your trading hub. This is going to be where you can view your inbound, outbound, as well as completed and inactive trades. Real quick, I'm going to break down the meaning of all of those. Essentially, an inbound trade is items people are offering you. An outbound trade is what you've offered to other people. Completed trades are going to be finished deals, and inactive trades are going to be ones that were declined or just expired. But if you want to start up a new trade, simply go ahead and go to someone's profile. In this case, we're going to use one of my friends for this. But once you get to their profile, what you're going to see is pretty much all of their items. But essentially, click on these three dots right here. There's going to be a trade item menu. Go ahead and open that up. And here's where you'll be able to move like specific items. Like for example, we could do this scythe right here between a side and another side. It's going to look a little bit like this right here. And keep in mind, you can only do this with certain people that are over the age of, I believe it's 13, and their account is verified. So if their account's not over a specific age, it's not going to work. But on one side, you're going to have your stuff, and on the other side, you're going to have another player's thing. So as you can see in this example, we are offering up this hat in return for this specific painting right here, and then we'll be able to make that offer down there. It's pretty interesting. Just one thing to remember, Roblox is going to take a 30% cut on sales, so don't be shocked when your Robux feels a little bit smaller than expected. Obviously, it happens to the best of us, but that is really it. That's the basics of trading here in Roblox. Simple, fast, and of course, it is a little bit spicy. If you did find this guide helpful, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.